Okay, let's have a quick look at number 13 here. It's a little bit different because it's got a lot of stuff going on. So let's just take a look. I'm going to clue you in or suggest to you something that you may find handy in a lot of situations, and that is if you have like brackets with an expression in it that appears multiple times in a question and it's making things particularly complicated, you can do a substitution here. We're going to say that this x plus a is actually just an n. And then we're going to see that that actually simplifies our question a lot so that we can do the simplified question and then fix it afterwards because obviously the n's not really there. So if I have let this be n, and we're going to actually write that, let n equal x plus a, then our question becomes n squared plus 3n plus 2. Now this is considerably easier to factor. We know that there has to be n's at the start. This is a simple trinomial, so we have to multiply to 2 and add to 3. And the only way you do that is with a 2 and a 1. This tells me that the signs are both the same, so then I look at this one and it tells me that they're both positive. Now, that was really easy, but we're not done because my original question did not have an n in it, it had an x plus a. So when we're done as much as we can with the simplified expression, then we have to put the x plus a back in there. So let's make the brackets a little bit bigger, and instead of n, we're going to write x plus a, which of course there's also a plus 2 in the first bracket, and then x plus a plus 1 in that bracket. Now, if there was something I could simplify here, if instead this said x plus 2 instead of an a, then I'd be able to actually simplify further and put like terms together. But since that's not the case, this is as simple as it possibly gets. And of course, I'm going to put some equal signs down the row just to make sure that we've got all our form looking good. Hope that helps. Give that method a little bit of a try here, and be aware that that method may be a good thing to use in questions later on.